Greetings everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to make one of the best weight loss smoothie with banana, spinach and fresh coconut and a bit of ginger. So stay tuned and I will tell you and explain also the benefit. So please remember to like, share, subscribe and stay tuned. See you soon. So here, ladies and gentlemen, I have some fresh coconut, ginger, spinach, and some banana, apple. I'm going to combine all of them together. The thing with the fresh coconut is very high in fiber, contain manganese, which is good for the bone, and it helps to speed up your metabolism, contain a bit of protein, copper, iron, and it's also good for red blood cell and antioxidant. And that's the fresh coconut which I'm talking about. The banana is also good for weight loss, contain potassium, sodium, fiber, iron, B6, magnesium, vitamin D. So it's very healthy. Apple, as you know, is very good. Apple is good for diabetes, heart, fiber, and it's good for weight loss. Contain B6, vitamin D, iron, magnesium, potassium also. And you know, the ginger, which everyone know, is good for your skin and bone. Contain B9 and vitamin C, and it's good for weight loss, good for burning fat, and full of vitamin, mineral, and also good for cold, nausea. Well, the spinach also is good for your bone, good for weight loss, and it's good for your eyesight and keep the body relaxed. Also, spinach help reduce your blood sugar. So let's start. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them. Gonna put some of put the coconut first. That's a fresh coconut. I'm gonna add the fresh chopped ginger, banana in, apple, of course a superfood, spinach. So now I'm gonna add some water in. Put the lid on. This here, if any one of you haven't know what this is what I take the fresh coconut from. So this, I can use it for starter, can drink water out of it. This is like real coconut. That's what you get the coconut from. That's what it look like. So I just cut it in half, take the middle out, and I'm going to utilize it. This here, you can strain it off if you want. Sometimes I don't like bits, so I will get a strainer and I will try to strain it off. You don't have to, but it's personal preference. So this is ready now. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me on this. This is really healthy and good for your system. You take this early morning on empty tummy. Well, at times I like a bit of presentation, so this on the side here, just a bit of color, and stainless steel straw. Cheers to you all. Wow, that is very nice, clean and delicious. I have another video coming out that show you how to use herbs and fruits to lower your blood pressure, cleanse your gut. So remember to hit that subscribe button, keep it positive, and I thank you all for watching. Peace be unto you all. Thank you.